What we gonna do right here is go back, way back, back into time.
Hello again, it's me, Shanna Scott from ELS. I'm the CEO, Chief Event Organizer here at ELS in Georgetown, South Carolina, bringing you Eventiquette number 16, JDMs. JDMs are what we as event specialists call jaw-dropping moments. Whenever we put together an event, we want to make sure that the actual guest is having an experience. So everything matters at the event. What they see, what they smell, what they eat, how they stand in lines, everything. So if we are thinking that the guests are going to have a wait or something, say for instance at a wedding or cocktail hour, we strategically place JDMs there where the guests could enjoy a moment where they just kind of drop their jaw and just go, those are jaw-dropping moments. So whenever you're planning an event, add elements to that event that wherein the guests, when they walk in, they just have that moment where they're just absolutely totally speechless and their breath is taken away. If you have any questions about how to add those elements to your event, party, or ceremony, please give us a call here at ELS or visit us on the website www.eventlogisticssolutions.com. Or you can give me a call right here in the office, 843-344-5602, or you can call me on my cell phone. I usually answer at any time and at all times, 843-455-0604. Happy eventing, and make sure that your guests gasp and drop that jaw, because your event will be the talk of the town for the next few months. Thank you. Happy eventing. See you soon.